Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In this video guys, I'm going to decorate my dining area. Guys, the way I'm doing it is very versatile. You can use it for any occasions. Since we are in Christmas season guys, so I'm going to add some little Christmas decor. Like I said before, you can use it for any occasion as you please. Okay guys, I start by cleaning my table. This table, I love it so much. It's my DIY. If you want to see how I elevate my table, make sure to watch my other videos. I'm going to put in the description link in the description box down below. Okay guys, usually I use perfect glass to clean my table. However, the price right now is 3 times that I used to pay for. So this one is less expensive and it cleans the table super well. However, it's small amount and it doesn't last me long. That's the only problem. Okay guys, I'm going to use my JOYMOOP to mop the floor. And guys, this is a video collaboration and they sent me this mop bucket. Guys, I really like it. If you're looking for a good mop bucket, this one is a good option because inside of the box you will find 2 mop, which is very nice, and I have the option to wash and dry. And guys, you have 8 mop pad, so you can switch it around. You don't have to buy any extra anytime soon, which is very convenient. And guys, it's like upright. It doesn't take too much space for easy storage. I really like it how everything is with this mop bucket and easy for me to use. As you can see inside the bucket, and like I said, it has 2 mop, so you can use as you please. Me, I'm going to use the light one for the wall and the gray one for the floor. It's easy to put together guys. I'm 5'8" and the length is super good for me. I don't have to just bend over my back or anything, so I like it. So the link will be in the description box down below. If you need something like that, feel free to check it out. It has a strong velcro to hold the pad in place, and guys, it's easy to remove, but at the same time whenever you put the pad, it's not going to go nowhere. I really like it. The pad are made with very good quality materials, so really good. Mopping with JOYMOOP is very good. Guys, you don't have to touch anything. The old-fashioned mop has gone, so this is a new generation, so you got to switch to this new generation mopping. You will like it. You will come and thank me later. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm putting water in the mop bucket, so it has a max level, so you don't want to go underneath of it or over, because it's not going to fully saturate the pad. And guys, I really love to use bleach. You can use whatever you want, but me, I love using bleach. Not only it less expensive, and it will kill a lot of germs. I remember growing up, I used to mop, I have to twist them up, do all those heavy work. So this thing make life super easy. You don't have to squeeze to push anything, so this one make mopping so easy guys. Not only that, they have every cleaning tools that you may need. You may check the website, they are on Amazon. And I picked up this sponge guys. I like it because it's very thick, especially when I'm cleaning my bin, my other things, so it make cleaning very easy for me. And I know it will last me for quite a while. I just have them, but for the quality, I can tell they will last me.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased.
Today I'm going to do a red, blue and white silver, little gold. Guys, you know, it's the Christmas season. I wanted to use this garland to make the centerpiece very beautiful. Guys, you know, I love flowers. If you don't, that's okay, you can use only greenery, but me, I wanted to add something extra because, you know, guys, I'm extra. Okay guys, this garland didn't want to settle today. I didn't want to fight with it, so I had to use a flower wire. So as you can see guys, so I'm just gonna cut the little wires and then just hold them together so I can finish my centerpiece.
Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh. La, 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 la. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love.
Once everything is done with the garland, I'm going to use the floating candle in a jar. And guys, those jars, I get them from Dollar Tree, the $1.25 right now, but when I bought them, they were $1. Okay guys, as you can see, so there's no particular way to do it. You just go as you please, but me, I don't see myself with that candle in a centerpiece, so it's optional. You don't have to put it, so that's what I like. I just do what I like.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, 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 oh, oh, oh.
And the placemats are my DIY, so I really love them. I made them last year for Christmas, and guys, they are two-sided. You can use it at the snowfall golden white, or you can use it the other way with the faux fur. So I really love it. Guys, if you want to see how I did it, I'm going to put the link of the video in the description box down below.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
I always say sometime to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you'll be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, my nails, on Decor, DIY, clean with me, product review. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys, and keep on watching. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon ami, merci. Je vous en prie, guys, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci mes amours pour votre support. Je vous aime. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur channel moi. C'est la première fois, moi souhaite bienvenue. Non, mais c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, guys, pas oublier abonner et puis partager la vidéo avec vos amis. Et si pas la première fois tout, moi dis merci en pile pour support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder cette vidéo. Moi,
tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. And leave me a comment down below. Let me know what do you think. Even if you don't like it, I still want to hear from you guys. That was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.